here it is said, 4 points were there. First point was Atma and Anatma are different. I have to reiterate that. Second point was I shift my attention from this cover. Like the pillow cover is there, like a duvet cover is there, like the pen cover is there. Now mobile cover is also there. Some people keep mobile also in the cover. They have a mobile keeping cover is there. Some of you I see that and they open that mobile. If mobile falls, it won't hurt. Mobile cover is there. Similarly, there is a Atma cover called body. This cover is not the covered. Cover and covered are different. Okay, understood, bhai. This is second point. I shift my attention from the Anatma to the Atma. Third stage is the I, the consciousness is not confined to the body, but I is not in body, but all bodies are in me. And fourth point is with my relation with the world is what my relation. अब देखो ध्यान देना. This is the highest point. My relation with the world is as I alone am the world. Wow, very difficult. Oh. I alone. Tam Brahmastam Vishnustam Suryastam Devtastam Chandrama. I alone am the world. I explained this Sarvatma. I'm not living in the world. I'm not living in the world. I am expressing as various things in the world, like the dream world. I am expressing as the dream world. This was the second mantra. Okay. And in this mantra, second mantra, those who were here yesterday, that Bhagwan is saying, or not Bhagwan, Yamraj is saying, I am the sun in the sky. I am the Vayu in the space. I am the Agni in the earth. I am the Atithi in the where? House. Drona Sat. House. Nishat. I am the man. Varsat means I am the Dev. Like you come after revising also. Ritsat. I am the Yaga. Vyom Sat. I am the one which is in the. Sad means Siddhati. Sad has come from to locate it. Vyom Sat. And I am the Abja. Abja means what? Like the Shank, etc. Like the aquatic forms. I alone am everything. Okay. I think I'm understanding that. Now, third mantra. Very interesting mantras are there. Only supposing I don't get interest, no, you still keep on reading. You'll get interest one day. Supposing I don't enjoy Naam Jap, you keep on doing Naam Jap. One day you will get interest. Keep on reading. Initially, this is a wrong way to think. What I enjoy, I should do. This is a wrong way to think. Right way is what I should do, I should enjoy that. What I'm supposed to do, I should enjoy that. You know the lectures which are there outside? Criteria is, it has a very interesting. It's not our point of interesting here. When we deal with the student in Vedanta, what has to be known, you have to find interest into it. You have to know how to make it interesting for your life. Well, meditation is very boring. No, complete. Meditation is boring for you because you have not practiced it. Meditation is very interesting. Let us now see the third mantra. I have already read. What it says here, Urdhvam pranam unnayati apanam pratyagasyati. What is the essence of this mantra? Dekho, dhyan dena. This is saying, in short, this body is inert. This body has 5 things in it. Who will say 5 things? Bole 5 things? No. 5 things associated with inert. दृश्यत्वम, भौतिकत्वम, नो तो हो गया. थर्ड सगुणत्वम, सविकारत्वम, आगमापायत्वम. इसको पकड़ के रखता. यू कैन नॉट अफोर्ड टू फॉरगेट दिस. यू कैन अफोर्ड टू फॉरगेट योर मनी. Oh no, that I can't forget. We were in Indonesia, Yogyakarta we went. The guide was said, he said, you cannot afford to lose your passport here. You can afford to lose your wife. She will find a way to come to you. But passport can't come to you. You cannot go out of the country. Very interesting guide. He said, Mr. Valmiki said like, because he was depicting the Ramayana characters. So every time I was thinking about Valmiki ji, Mr. Valmiki said like that. Indonesian person, Muslim person. But good guide he was. Very lovely people there. This you cannot afford. No. Please get this point. Now, problem is, what problem is? This body is inert with 5 things. Shall I say in English also? Drishyatvam means which has seenness, seen. Bhautikatvam means it is elemental. Sagunatvam means with property. Savikaratvam means with modification. And Agamaipattvam means with coming and going. Very interesting. So interesting is there. I can spend hours on thinking like that. Not hours. So love, so much charm is there. 1 hour doesn't, just know I don't how it passes. Only my doesn't pass. That is your problem. Now, this body which is inert, how come it is sentiency has come into it? How come it is conscious? Right? This table is also inert, but there is no consciousness. No, it is not conscious. How come body, somebody pricks me with the needle? I will jump all the time. Forget about pricking. Supposing you are sitting like that and somebody just folds his handkerchiefs and drops on your thigh. You will jump like worse. You will feel what has come. Rabbit has come or rat has come or what. So, or somebody used to play also. You just put something in somebody's ears. So some kind of a straw, you somebody was sitting and you just touch with the, and he used to do like that. Well, how come this sentiency is in this body? The body is, now mind is also inert. देखो ध्यान देना. This is a dark room. This example I have given. Dark room. And there is, in the light, in the dark room, outside is sunlight. I put a bucket full of water or a mirror. And the light which is reflected in the mirror, I point it towards the dark room so that the dark room is now illumined. This body is not directly sentient from the Atma. Atma doesn't make anything sentient. It is the mind which has made, the mind is a reflecting medium which is inert, and that is, on that mind there is a reflection of the pure consciousness, and that reflection is in the body, and therefore the body is sentient. So I will use the word sentient many times. Sentient means anything inert which is with the light of reflected consciousness. Any inert thing is touched by the light of reflected consciousness is becoming sentient. Now here it is said here, the same body, only 2 elements are taken. One is called pran, other is called apan. Although subtle body has many components, 17 component, cross body is also having some component. But 2 points are taken. Generally, pran means respiration and apan means excretion. 5 pranas I had told you one day. 5 pranas I had told one day. What was the pran means respiration and apan is excretion. But here, in this present context, be very careful, students here. Pran is the name of a vayu which is breathed out. So pran is for exhalation, like this. This is exhalation. And here, apan word is the name of vayu which we inhale. Because it is going from top to bottom. From top to bottom, that vayu which goes from top to bottom is called apan here. And that which is going from bottom to top and going out, that is called pran here. Don't forget these things. Unless you go through commentaries you have well thought of, you will not understand. Upanishadic language is different. Urdhvam pranam unnayati. Unnayati means, so here the subject is Atma. So Atma, what it does, it draws vayu of the person. Unnayati means draws out. It draws out the vayu. Who? Atma. Acha. Apanam pratyagasyadi. It takes the inhalation, adho vayu. If from the top to bottom, that is called, it brings the vayu from top to bottom. Who? Same Atma. Acha. Atma does all these things. Swamiji. Yes, but you said Atma is avikari. Again you are putting a point. Dekho, Atma word is loosely used. Somewhere Atma means pure consciousness, original consciousness. Somewhere Atma means reflected consciousness. Now you have to find out here reflected consciousness has been used or the pure consciousness has been used. Now, reflected consciousness is doer or not? Is doer. Reflected consciousness is doer. So how many RCs are there? 6 RCs are there. Oh my God, yes. 6 RCs there. Only what is RC? What is Ramesh Chand? No. RC is reflected consciousness. Such students are there. You can imagine the bhagya of the teacher if he gives such answer. So, urdhvam pranam unnayati. And Atma, that alone does it. Where is it seated? इसका headquarter कहाँ है? Madhye vamanamasinam. Madhye means hridayast antakaran sakshi chaitanya rupena asinam. Madhye means in the middle. Here. Which mantra said this? It is here. Angushta matra purusha madhye atmani tishtati ishano bhuta bhavyasya na tato vijugupsate. Just now we read. And I explained what is the meaning of inside. Atma is not here located. There is a body, there is a heart. In the heart there is the expression of mind. Headquarter of mind is here. And Sakshi of that is called Purush. Okay, I heard it, but I forgot. Good, you reminded. Thank you so much. So, Madhye Vamanam. So, Vaman Bhashkar writes here, Sambhajaniyam. Who he should be? Sambhajaniyam means he should be adorable. That Atma's name is Vaman here. That Atma, as if it is located means is the expression of OC is RC. OC in action is RC. Okay. Not directly acting. Not directly acting. It's expressing through that. Okay. Oh. But love is expressing. Love is an invisible thing. Like I'm using the word love. Love is an invisible thing. I cannot see your love. Love दिखाओ जरा सा. Where is it? How big it is? How short it is? How long it is? दिखा दो love अपना. Don't do anything. Just show my love. I want to see where it is in your body. What? Your love. See, I'll do one thing. I'll show my anger first. Love is an invisible thing. Only it expresses through my eyes, through my hand, through my greetings, through my seva, through my words, through my walking. It is many expressions. Atma is not the one which is acting. But Atma is, which Atma? OC. But it is expressing through active RC. And that active RC which is here, it is what it is doing. It is making this pran go from bottom to top and make that pran go from top to bottom. By itself, all these are inert. Okay. So what you want to say by this mantra? By this mantra, what you want to say? I want to say very important thing, that this assemblage called body, mind, intellect, by themselves they are not functional. Behind that there is a consciousness. And here the word Atma has been used. Vamanam has been used, Atma is not used. But here, almost because of that Atma, everything is happening. It's indirectly you are saying because of the RC everything is happening, but because of the Atma everything is happening. Like Gurudev used to come in any city. So hundreds of people are involved in the yajna. So somebody prays, or Gurudev himself prays, what a nice organization you have done. What a nice pandal has been there. What a nice stage you all have made. So very genuine person, humble person, he will say, Swamiji, because of you only. Directly he is not doing. But indirectly, because of his presence only, everything is happening. I hope you. Not that he is directly involved. He is calling the marquee person. Hello, that marquee is broken from that side. He is not doing any such thing. Or somebody who has come. Some are in the committee, they never come. When Gurudev came, that person came. Never they show their face. So, and that time they become so active as if they are the only ones. Only Bhiksha is also there, Dakshina is also there, fruit also they will bring every day, halwa also they brought. So some Gurudev say, oh, he is quite active. So somebody will say, Gurudev, because you have come, therefore he never comes. Since last 4 years back you came, after that he came now. I hope you got my point. Atma is not active. Atma is not doing physically. But in the presence of Atma, with the conditioning of mind, RC is there. RC is there. But indirectly I am saying because of Atma everything is happening, which is true. If Atma was not there, nothing would have happened. Urdhvam pranamunnayati. The shlok you see. Apanam pratyakasyati madhe vaminamasinam. And ये क्या हो रहा है? ये तो भाई बहुत adorable है. Who? This Atma is very adorable. बाकी लोग adorable मतलब इसको worship करना चाहिए, पूजा करो इनकी. This Atma should be worship. बोले हाँ कर तो रहे हैं. Who? Vishve deva upasate. So all devatas, here devatas means sense organ. Vishwa means sarve. So sarve devaha, they are doing upasana of this Atma. Well, how? Oh, flower to hai nahi. There is no flower, there is no billu patra, tulsi patra is not there, prasad is not there. How they are doing puja? बोले first you keep quiet, let me complete. Okay. So Vishve Deva Upasate, it means what? They are offering what? Shabd Sparsh Roop Ras Gandh. And what this RC is saying, I heard, I ate. ये है हाँ अब no, this is one flower of word going. I heard, I see, I ate, I touched. Everything is going to I only. Ultimately everything goes to I only. Tongue doesn't taste. When there is a nice taste, you never say, my tongue was, taste. My tongue tasted very well. My tongue was very happy today. Why? Food was very good. I was happy. Tongue is a simple peon. It passes the file to the boss there. ये बेचारी क्या करे टंग? Similarly, ears don't say anything. कुछ भी डालो पहुंचा देती है. You बोल दो, my ears were very happy to see. Ears are not happy. Happiness is the nature of eye. बोले, my eyes were so happy to see you. It is no, eyes will pass that. Okay, remembers one point, Sanghatasya Pararthatvat. So this is for somebody else. They are all day and night working for I. So this is called upasate. Upasate means upasate. Rupade vijnanam balim upaharantah vishavivrajanam upasate. That means like all businessmen go to the king with some gift. Similarly, they are offering that. So tadarthena anuparat vyapara bhavanti. This is for this Atma. So this is the meaning of this mantra. You got my point? Urdhvam pranam unnayate. So everything is happening. Now what you are doing? You are shifting your attention from the external body to sense organ. From sense organ to mind. But mind is also inert. From mind to reflected consciousness. From reflected consciousness to original consciousness. Shifting the attention from the pandal to the worker to the secretary president, and from secretary president to Gurudev actually. But Gurudev is not. His presence was sufficient. Everything is happening. Yes, sannidhi matrena. Everybody is. A moment he goes away, everybody runs away after that. Nobody is there to wind up also after that. All people run away. The person who was bringing halwa and fruit every day, he also not picking my calls now. He was so actively involved, putting shoes of Gurudev and all these things. He has totally disappeared from the ground. The marquee person left all thing. It is raining. The Gurudev's photograph and Bhagwan Krishna photograph is lying there. I have to call 10 people to pick up the photograph and bring it back. Nobody is picking the photograph. सब चले गए. Food was organized. They didn't clean the table also. It is lying down. 2 days have passed. Then you understand because of whom whole work was going on. This person is highly irritated. बड़ा मजा आता है. Therefore, in organizing, you have to always write who will wind up everything. When program is over, who will wind it up? And next verse is about that only. Asya visramsamanasya sharirasthasya dehinah dehad vibuchyamanasya kimatra parishishyate etat vaitat asya visramsamanasya शरीरस्थस्य देहिनः देहादिमुच्यमानस्य किमत्र परिशिष्यते एतद् वै तत्. Two words will be coming, Anvay and Vyatirek, which I'll tell in another class. But Visrams Manas means departing RC. RC Maharaj gaye. Who? Dehina. Here Dehina is for Atma. I am telling you, in the scripture, Atma word is used for RC also, OC also, and Brahman also. You have to find out which is there. Sharirasthasya dehina, that which was conditioned by the body. Visrams manas means gaye. Dehat divuch manas, he has left the body. Now what will be left? That means all activities are over now. Nobody is acting. Pran bhi gaya. So when subtle body goes, pran goes, sense organ go, sense object go, reflected consciousness go. So, what do you want to say? What do you want to say? There is something called, with the presence of this work was going on. With the absence of this, work has stopped. That means this is the cause of that. This activity, the cause of this was this. This is called co-presence and co-absence. With Atma, body is active, alive. Without Atma, body is inactive and decomposing. That means because of the Atma, the body was acting. To ascertain the cause of something, Anvay and Vyatirek is used. Anvay means what? Anvay means what? Co-presence. And Vyatirek means co-absence. So last mantra was of co-presence. This mantra is of co-absence. Last mantra was for Anvay. This mantra is for Vyatirek. Don't forget both the words I am saying. So with that Atma, everything is going on well. Without that Atma, everything is over. कुछ बचता ही नहीं है. किमत्र परिशिष्यते. प्राणादि कलापे न किंचन परिशिष्यते. Nobody is working now. न किंचन अत्र देहे पुरस्वामिना विद्रवण सती इव पूर्वासिनाम यस्यः आत्मा अपगमने सती. So when it is said Atma went away, please note, it is not OC went away. Expression of that OC called RC went away. RC means Jivatma. Jivatma गए, सब काम खत्म हो गया. Okay, that means, so by indication I am saying, so credit will not go to RC, credit will go to OC. Because RC is only because of OC. So finally, who is the biggest credit? It will go to that original consciousness or Shuddha Chaitanya. More we will see upon this in our next class.